Good morning, good morning. We are in a deep freeze this morning. It must be minus something this morning, we'll have a look. But I wanted to show you how I start my car on a cold winter's day in the UK. That is a very icy windscreen. Okay, so we're in a deep freeze. Let's see if we can even get in, shall we? Whoa. Right, this door doesn't even want to open properly. I'm not going to force it. Let's try and see what's happening. Right, I have a little trick for these things. Let's see if it works. Back in a second. Right, a bit of water. Not hot, just very, very lukewarm. Let's see if this helps. That's better. Right, okay, so where were we? 9:20 in the morning. So I'm in a very frozen 2015 Mark 7 Golf GTD. To start this car, it's clutch down and press the stop start button here as I've got keyless go. However, in the mornings or cold starts, I tend to do a two-step process, which I'll explain in a second. A lot of cars now have the start stop button with keyless go, and manufacturers on diesel cars have built in a delay system whereby when you press the button there's a short delay before the engine turns over, and that's to allow the glow plugs to warm up the air and the fuel. However, I now prefer to press the start stop button once, wait for the glow plug symbol to go out, then I press the clutch and press the start stop button again. By doing this, I hope that there's slightly less strain on my battery and the car, the starter motor in general. Let me know what you think if you do this, by the way. So my cold start process goes like this. I press the start stop button first, like so, and I wait for this glow plug symbol to go out. Okay, so that's gone out now, so I shall give this an attempt. And we're up and running. So we've got oil temperature at nothing. It's probably -2 or something, and that will take an awful long time to warm up. Okay, so while this is chugging away, if you've got a normal key, which is not a keyless go system, and you've got to put your key in an ignition, turn it to the first point, let the glow plug go out, and then start the car. And I think you'll find if you've got a diesel car, it'll turn over a lot more smoothly on a cold start, such as today. If you've got a DSG, normally you've got to put your foot on the brake for the car to turn over. So what I would do is press the start stop button once quickly, just give it a flick. That should allow the glow plug light to come on and off, and then you can start normally. Let me know in the comments below if that does improve a cold start. It's more noticeable on a day like today when it's -2.5 degrees. So I think the advantage of doing a two-step start on a cold morning, especially in a diesel car, is you're going to be a bit kinder to your car, kinder to the starter motor, give your battery a bit more of a chance in this cold weather, and just kinder to the engine in general. hopefully it'll keep those maintenance costs down. There's also mornings like this when you're very grateful for the heated element in the GTD wing mirrors. It is something you have to remember to turn off though. So I'm not going to turn my car off just yet. I'm going to let it tick over for a bit and get some warmth into the engine. Please do let me know below if you start your car in this way, or do you just rely on the keyless go system to do the job for you? I must say I do notice a big difference when I do this two-step procedure. My car's not brand new, it's a few years old now, so maybe that's why. I must admit when I got it, originally I just used to press the keyless go button and let the car do its own thing. But now I seem to give it a little bit more TLC. Anyway, I hope this was useful and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much for watching.